is. 10 a.m. every Saturday and Sunday, 6 p.m. on Wednesdays, aka another day in paradise. When you come look for your boy, 'cause that's when I'm usually live doing my THING. Shouts out to doing your thing, 'cause it's up to you to do what you gotta do. And shouts out to me for already having these things ready to go. You dig? Y'all already know we got some good videos to get into today, so we just gonna slide over that way. Slide right on over that way. Shouts out to Spider Pig. Y'all see we did our thing over there this morning. Y'all already know we had Super Saturdays over there. About 8 a.m. usually when I start, and then, I'm usually over here by 10, so
In just over a year, Missouri's cannabis market has already seen over $1 billion in adult-use cannabis sales. During this time, only 1 of 3 microbusiness licensing rounds took place, and 11 of the 48 licenses awarded in that round were later revoked because of eligibility deficiencies. With the next microbusiness application window happening between April 15th and April 29th, 2024, you'll want to review the application process and start preparing now. Hi, I'm Dr. Sherry Boudram, CEO of Candelta. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at Missouri's upcoming microbusiness application window, breaking down everything you need to know about permitted activities, eligibility, expenses, and more. Missouri's microbusiness license allows the holder to have a dispensary facility or wholesale facility. A microbusiness dispensary facility can acquire, process, package, deliver, transport, store, and sell cannabis and cannabis products to other microbusinesses, qualified patients, caregivers, adult-use consumers, or testing facilities. Microbusiness dispensaries can also produce their own pre-rolls. Alternatively, microbusiness license holders can have a wholesale facility, allowing them to acquire, cultivate, process, package, store, manufacture, transport, deliver, and sell cannabis products to other microbusinesses or testing facilities. They can cultivate up to 250 flowering marijuana plants and produce both pre-rolls and infused pre-rolls. Missouri's average cannabis item pricing is 57.2% higher than every other state. This will change over time as the market continues to grow and become more established. By starting your Missouri cannabis business now, you'll be able to capitalize this market while it lasts. Microbusiness licenses will only be available to eligible applicants who are determined to be marginalized or underrepresented. The eligibility criteria require that the applicant falls into any one of the 5 specific categories, which are 1. Net worth below $250,000 and an income under 250% of the federal poverty level. 2. Service-disabled veterans. 3. Non-violent marijuana offender, or you have a family tie to one, excluding driving under cannabis influence or selling to minors. 4. Reside in an area where 30% or more of the population lives below the federal poverty level or experiences unemployment rates 50% higher than the state average. And 5, having graduated from an unaccredited school district or resided in such district zip code for 3 of the past 5 years. The license is also open to applicants from out of state, as long as one major owner on the application still meets at least one of these criteria. Candelta can help you determine if you qualify. We have listed all eligible zip codes on our website, which can be found at the link in the description. If you have any questions regarding eligibility, feel free to contact us